You probably will agree with me that creating ebooks or bonus products for your affiliate campaigns takes quite a lot of time. Many affiliates just starting out think they have to put in a lot of hours, efforts to create an ebook, additional content or new products to offer as bonuses or build their email lists. However, it's actually possible to buy a private label right content or content that has already been made in different niches. IDPLR.com is one of such platforms that offer private label right content for anyone interested. In this video, I'm going to share with you the good and the bad side of using the IDPLR.com program, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video I'm going to share with you what IDPLR.com is all about, what you actually get with the program, is it really a scam, and much more. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with videos as an affiliate marketer, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get started. First of all, let's start by defining private label rights. Private label rights is a license where authors sell the intellectual property rights of their work. So basically, the IDPLR.com platform is where people can supposedly sell their intellectual property right for products like ebooks, softwares, graphics, or written content. That means it's also a platform where anyone can purchase these intellectual property rights to use for themselves. So the ID private label right platform is pretty much an intermediary between people that like writing content and don't want to market it themselves and people who are looking for content to market. Now, this platform is offering an instant access of over 12,000 plus private label right products, which by the way, you can resell and keep 100% of the profit. Products which you can easily sell, edit, or claim as your own. The program comes with over 6,000 ebooks, almost 2,000 plus videos, softwares, graphic packs, templates, audio packs, 10 key sites, and private label rights articles. The ID private label right platform already has over 70,000 members and by far is the largest and most reputable private label rights membership on the internet. One of the great things about this platform is that anyone can register for free, but that will mean that you have limited access to the website features and products, whereas if you have a gold membership, you have access to the entire 12,000 private label rights products, access to a fast and secure website hosting, landing page, squeeze page creator software, and all the training tutorials, live previews, and not forgetting the new products that comes almost every day with no download limits. You also have the option to choose your membership duration. The package choices include a 3-month membership, a yearly membership, and a lifetime membership. If you choose to use private label rights content in your marketing campaigns, it's important to keep in mind that even with those products that are available for you to use as you wish, you need to understand that there are others who have access to the same content. So if you want your private label right content to stand out from amongst others, it's always best to rebrand the content you choose to use. That means you have to edit the content, the graphics, change the title, just make it unique and exceptional. So how do you use a private label rights content to make money online? You can start by giving it away to build your email list. Use it as content on your website or blog or on your YouTube channel. You can also use the product to create your own private label rights e-store or private label right membership site or sell it on a social media site. Here are some advantages of using the ID private label right platform. The platform, as I already mentioned, has a lot of private label right content that you can choose from and use. The variety of products is also a plus. It ranges from videos, articles, and even softwares. The second advantage is that as a member of this platform, it will save you time and money because you won't be making the products from scratch. As a member of the platform, you have access to bonuses like the e-cover creator software, WordPress sales page creator, and over 200,000 private label rights articles. Most top marketers do recommend this platform for anyone facing difficulties creating content. The platform also has a customer support center to better serve their audience. Now, as a member of this platform, you are supported with a 60-day money back guarantee. Of course, with advantages always comes disadvantages. The ID private label rights platform also has some disadvantages. For a start, since it's a very old platform, some of their private label rights products are outdated and other functions on the platform do not work. Like I already mentioned, they have a support team, but their support team is using a ticketing system, which can mean longer processing time or requests for your queries. Now, to wrap up this video, I would like to draw your attention again to the fact that many people have been earning through this private label right business model, meaning it works. It may take time, but it surely works. So if you choose to go with idprivatelabelrights.com, you don't have to be worried about your investment because you can get a refund within 60 days if you feel unsatisfied. I will be dropping the link to this platform in the description box below this video if you are interested in checking it out. But before you head to the platform, don't forget to share this video on your preferred social site, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.